Listening. Living in Aotearoa. Manuka and kanuka. Manuka is also known as kahika toa and has the botanic name Leptospermum scoparium. It was given the name tea tree by the explorer and discoverer of New Zealand, Captain James Cook. Manuka comes in a variety of species, including flat, creeping types, small shrubs, and trees that can grow up to 10 metres. Though variable, all the forms of Manuka have sharp-tipped leaves, large solitary white or pink flowers with distinctive short, dark red stamens and greyish-white nut-like capsules. Manuka is common throughout the North, South and Stewart Islands and is found mostly in the low-lying areas, although it can thrive at 1800 metres above sea level. It grows in a variety of habitats, which include wetlands, river gravels and dry hillsides. The great thing about Manuka is that when mature, it is drought resistant, so can survive long periods without water. It's an extremely hardy plant and can survive strong winds, frosts, flooding, and the cold conditions of a New Zealand winter. Some useful information about Manuka. As we go about our daily lives in the cities of New Zealand, it's difficult for us to imagine the landscape as it was when the first European settlers arrived. Before they could farm or plan the building of towns and cities, they had to clear the land of trees and bush, and sadly Manuka trees were destroyed as the Europeans knew little or nothing about the plant. Nowadays, farmers actively plant the trees as they provide shelter for livestock in bad weather. Manuka is not in any danger from animals. Cattle and sheep do not feed on it. The wood from the trees was used by Maori to make tools and weapons and paddles for their walkers. The bark of the trees was used to make containers for carrying water, rather like buckets, and it was also used as a roofing material as it stopped rain from flooding their huts. Captain Cook and his team of scientists, most notably the botanist Joseph Banks, referred to Manuka as tea tree, and, missing the favourite drink of the English, they made a form of tea drink from the leaves. They also made a type of alcohol, a beer-like drink, by brewing the twigs and small branches. Manuka flowers have a pleasant, sweet-smelling scent which attracts insects, notably bees and birds, to the pollen it produces. Today, Manuka is associated with the honey which is produced from the flowers. Researchers have identified that the honey has properties which make it a natural insecticide and an antiseptic. It contains natural ingredients, which make it antibacterial. However, Manuka honey is not exceptional in this regard. All honey has the same healing properties. Good marketing by honey producers has given Manuka a reputation for being a medicinal product, and this has affected the price. Manuka is the most expensive honey available in New Zealand.